I was with my mother watching the TV, and when they said Bergoglio, we were like, oh my God, I can't believe it, because he would come every year to the church in our neighborhood and celebrate the day of the Sacred Coeur, and we met him every year. He was part of my childhood, and we can't believe it that man, that simple man, that humble man, is now the Pope. Our country is filled with corruption in power. It is a great example for every one of us here to see that a man who has a great power in his hands is a simple man, a man that never enjoys luxuries, that never travels by a premium class. In fact, he went to Roman tourist class. He went to the meeting walking, which is completely unbelievable.